Are you a dreamer? Have you always sought to expand your horizons? To better yourself? To better the world? And to improve lives? Do you aspire to make a difference? To be an important part of something greater? Realize your dreams in a rewarding career with IDEX. Fulfill your passion for knowledge, understanding, and experience. Push yourself to tackle new challenges. And take your career to new levels. Grow from new and unexpected opportunities. And unlock your potential at IDEX. Together, there are no limits to what we can accomplish.